Rilla is not a micromanagement tool. Salespeople do not want to be micromanaged at all. This isn't Big Brother watching you.
Oh goodness, my immediate fears. So it's a very simple one, like most people. Oh, they're just trying to keep tabs on me.
Absolutely, I've had fears. Nobody likes to be recorded. Nobody likes to hear their own voice, and that was my biggest thing, you know. Listening to my own recordings, I was like, man, I sound like an idiot. But because of the coaching and the way that Rilla is set up, I've been able to overcome that fear, right? I'm not so afraid of how I say it. It's more what I say and how it comes across.
I'm closing more jobs and better jobs.
Rilla has been an amazing experience. It's definitely helped me up my game with my sales.
Rilla's been a game changer for me personally. You really can just discover everything that's not right and take it out of your sales pitch and then put everything that works in it.
It's helped me to improve on my personal skills to be able to communicate with multiple types of personalities.
If, God forbid, I were to leave AirServe for any reason, I would want to make sure that that company that I'd move to would be able to have Rilla because of the protection that it provides and the coaching that it allows to make their technicians better.
I don't have to tell my guys to go use Rilla. They use Rilla on their own. We saw our close rate go up by 10% with Rilla inside of 90 days of using it effectively.
One of our comfort advisors has used Rilla. I can see him actively using it, and he is able to, over the last 5 months, rise from about 50 to 60,000 in sales to over 400,000 in sales.
So when we started Rilla, we were at about 20%, which made us one of the top markets in Texas. We right now are 26.4.
Our average ticket has grown double in the last 3 years.
Our conversion rate went up significantly. Our average tickets went up significantly.
I didn't realize that my guys were going to have this personal growth journey.
Rilla has been honestly a blessing.